What is going on? Here we are, Saturday morning, doing some shop stuff. How you guys doing? How's the fall rush going? Had to adjust that a little bit. How's everybody's fall rush going? If you guys, I don't know if you noticed, I changed the name of the channel. I was having a meeting in my business group, and we're always making a joke, because if you've watched my channel for a minute, oh, my trucks are a mess. If you've watched my channel for a minute, you know my name's Chuck. And you know, in the lawn care industry, the joke is always Chuck in a truck. So, you know, every time they say it in the group, anytime you're talking about low ballers or whatever, it's Chuck in a truck, right? So I said, what the hell, man? Let's just change the name of the channel to Chuck in a truck, right? And that's just why I did that. I thought it'd be funny. Got some new stuff yesterday. Here, we can turn this around. Let's try this again. I thought here I am talking to nothing. So I picked up, just brought it home yesterday, 7.5 foot straight blade Boss Super Duty. Oh, and a TGS1100 freaking spreader. So we should be nice and assured that there will not be any snow this winter. Now that I've purchased these two things, that should pretty much keep everybody safe. This is in no way a review, just showing what I brought home yesterday. Today's plan, and I still have my my 7-foot Blizzard for the GMC that's way down there. But so yeah, so today I'm gonna clean up this area a little bit. There, I'm gonna clean up this area a little bit today. I've got to put this guy off, take it off, put it in the shop. I'm going to take the snow plow off. So I need to make room here so I can stack this one right behind the, right beside the Blizzard. Move them up a little bit closer to the fence. So they're out of the way of all the mowing stuff. This is in no way going to be like, hey, this is how this works or whatever. Just showing toys. Got to move some of this stuff around. I got to make room for the air compressor to come back over here. Got to do some work on it. Get to make sure it's going. We're getting ready. Got about 2 weeks for the. I don't know if you guys can hear me at all since the wind is blowing. So let's just wait. So I don't know if you guys can hear me at all. We got about 2 weeks before sprinkler blowouts start. So I'm going to get the compressor back over here. I've got to get a new regulator for it. Noticed the other day it fired up just fine, but the regulator's messed up. So I need to run down the parts, build a new regulator for it. I'm going to get another regulator built I'm going to rent a compressor as well as the one we have, so we can really get on it with the sprinkler blowouts. Here's another cool tool, new this season. I'll do a video on this probably here in the next week or so. 24-inch Z rate, Z air rate, X mark, with the seed basket. Don't want to get in too much talking about it right now. As you can tell, it's dirty. it's been plugging some holes. But I wanted to use it a little bit before I did an actual video on it. Just like the snow plow. Once we get snow on the ground, then we'll do some snow videos. I'm excited for those. But yeah, we're gonna rent. Oh, I got a mess here. I'm gonna pull all this out, clean the shop up. So yeah, that's just what's going on. I just wanted to. I haven't done a video in a few weeks, so I figured we'd do that. We're cleaning the shop. Got to start moving the fertilizers upstairs. Yes, I haul all the buckets upstairs. And then I've got about a pallet and a half of salt back here, so it's already staged and ready. Probably need to get a couple more pallets. Doing a lot of snow bids right now. I think Monday I've got 3 or 4 commercials I got to go check out. If you guys have done storage units before, let me know. I've got 2 storage unit places I'm going to go look at to do bids on. Anyway, got to get the compressor over here, get the compressor running. That's about 2 weeks from now. It always sucks because sprinkler blowout season starts the same week as GIE or Equip or whatever it's called. And I'm going to Equip this year. So it'll be my first year actually going. But everything's already done there. I'm gonna hopefully get a chance to look at some equipment. I'm doing a lot of the classes, doing a lot of the educational stuff. That's kind of my gig. That's what I like to do. I've got some classes, I think 4 or 5 classes I'm going to hit while I'm there. So I'll be doing a lot of classroom time. Hopefully I do get time to walk around and see the cool stuff. On Wednesday before the Dust Bowl happens, I hear that's, if you're going to look at equipment, Wednesday morning's the time to do that before everything gets, all the grass gets torn away, I guess. Anyway, that's what's going on. Today we're going to move this around, get these plows off, get all this stuff pulled out so I can get that spreader put back there with the snow blowers. I'll probably do some decks and blades, make sure the oil's all good. We might have one that's due for an oil change. I'm not sure, so we'll see. And yeah, let's play around with some equipment. So hey guys, thanks for hanging out. I'll have to cut the crap out of all this video because that is way too long. I've probably videoed an hour's worth of crap. Thanks for stopping by, checking out the new plow. Looks good back there, even parked, huh? So checking out the new plow. This video may be a little here and there since I babbled about so much stuff as I was playing with the plow and cleaning things. I've still got a lot to clean in the shop, but we'll break this up so it's not too painful for everybody. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Later.